Hey guys, Vision here. We got this 2007 Toyota RAV4 3.5 V6 engine, 4x4, and we're just replacing the thermostat. To get here, you got the reservoir that's held by number 10, another number 10 over here, and remove this cover plastic. It's just those push pins. Remove those two, then remove the hose. And then you need to remove this bracket here because the thermostat housing, which is this, it's held on by two number 10 millimeters that are in this direction. But you can access it because this bracket is on your way. Anyways, to remove this, you need some 17 millimeters socket to remove the actual motor mount, 13s, and remove the ground from up here as a number 10. And the brackets that are holding onto the engine are 14 millimeter. So let's remove this, and I'll show you where I'm at. Alrighty, so here we are. We already removed the thermostat. Okay, so to get there, just to recap, remove the reservoir to 10 millimeters. First thing you want to do is remove the plastic trim that's right here. Okay, so remove that, just some push pins. The reservoir to 10 millimeters. These two brackets are 12 millimeters and a 10 millimeter nut holding the ground. And then you're gonna remove the motor mount. The motor mount are 17 millimeters, and this lower motor mount is also 17. This motor mount bracket that's connected to the engine, those are 14 millimeters. Okay, so you got a couple of those. After that, you need to loosen the serpentine belt and then remove this idler pulley, okay, because you won't be able to pull your thermostat housing back because it will immediately hit the pulley. Okay, so we're here. Remove. So once you're here, just clean your area out, put your new thermostat, and you'll be good to go. So all right guys, see you on the next one. Alrighty, so if you need to replace your water pump, okay, that's a new one. You need to remove the water pump pulley that's held by four 12 millimeter bolts, and then you're gonna remove the tensioner pulley that's reverse thread, 14 millimeter. Okay, and then the actual water pump is held on by 10 millimeters and 12 millimeters, so about 10 or so bolts holding it. And then this guy right here goes right there. That's also three 10 millimeter bolts. And don't forget to change your O-ring that goes here, and don't forget to put your O-ring that goes right here as well. Okay, so and just a tip, the 12 millimeter bolts, they're long versus the 12 millimeter bolts are long, and the 10 mil are smaller. Okay, so just a tip will be to put the long ones first, and then you go ahead with the short 10 millimeters. So let me tighten this up, and yeah.